Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today, Emma sees a news story about the Empire State Building. A few hours later, she decides to visit it herself with her friend Ben. Along the way, they make a few small decisions, discover interesting facts, and enjoy one unforgettable view of New York. Here's today's listening question. What was Emma's favorite part of the visit? Listen carefully. The answer appears later in the story. Stay with us until the end, and we'll also review a few useful English idioms from today's conversation. When you know the answer, share it in the comments. Writing it helps you remember your English even better.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Great. Are you ready for today?
I think so. I have one question.
Sure, what is it?
Did you hear the news about the Empire State Building?
Yes, I did.
I saw it this morning.
I saw it too.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everyone was safe.
That's good to hear.
The building is open today.
Really?
Yes, many people are visiting today.
I was a little worried.
That's understandable.
I have always wanted to visit it.
Then today is a great day.
Do you really think so?
Yes, the weather is beautiful today.
I like sunny days.
Me too.
Is it very busy there?
It can be busy, but that's okay.
What time should we go?
I have an idea.
Tell me.
Let's go before sunset.
Why before sunset?
You can see the city in daylight. Then the lights come on.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
It really is.
Have you been there before?
Yes, a few times.
Do you still enjoy it?
Every time. The view always feels special.
Now I'm even more excited.
I'm glad to hear that.
Is it far from here?
No, we can walk there.
I like walking in New York.
Me too. There's always something to see.
Maybe we will find a nice coffee shop on the way.
I think we will.
Should we buy tickets online?
We can decide when we get there.
Okay, that sounds easy.
Don't worry, we have plenty of time.
Thanks, Ben.
You're welcome.
I'm happy we're going together.
Me too. Let's finish our coffee.
Then let's visit the Empire State Building.
Sounds good. Let's go.
This street is so busy.
Yes, Midtown is always full of people.
I like the energy here.
Me too. Every walk feels a little different.
There are so many tall buildings.
That's true.
Can you already see the Empire State Building?
Not yet. Just a few more blocks.
I'm excited.
I can tell.
Have you always liked this building?
Yes, even when I was a child.
Why?
It has an interesting story.
Really? Tell me.
When it opened, it was the tallest building in the world.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Many people are surprised.
How long was it the tallest?
For many years.
That's amazing.
People came from many countries to see it.
Just like today.
Exactly.
I think I have seen it in movies.
You probably have.
It looks very familiar.
It has been in many famous movies.
I love that.
It makes the building feel special.
Did you know many facts before your first visit?
Not really.
So you learned little by little?
Yes, every visit taught me something new.
I like learning that way.
Me too. It feels natural.
Oh, look over there.
What did you see?
I think I can see the top now.
You're right. That's it.
It's bigger than I expected.
Wait until you're standing in front of it.
I can't wait.
We still have a few minutes.
That's okay. I'm enjoying the walk.
Good. That's part of the experience.
There are so many people with cameras.
Many visitors come around sunset.
We picked a good time.
I think so too.
The sky looks beautiful already.
It will look even better later.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Oh, I can see the whole building now.
Welcome to the Empire State Building.
It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Hello. Hello, welcome. How can I help you today? I'd like 2 tickets, please. Of course. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. Welcome. Thank you. We have different ticket options. I saw that. Do you have any questions? Yes. What's the difference? Between which tickets? The 86th floor and the 102nd floor. The 86th floor has a large outdoor observation deck. Okay. The 102nd floor is higher and indoors. I see. Both have wonderful views. Which one do you recommend? Is this your first time here? Yes. Then I usually recommend the 86th floor. Why? Many first-time visitors enjoy the outdoor view. That sounds nice. You can walk around and take many pictures. I love taking pictures. Then I think you'll enjoy it. Can I still see the city very well? Yes, you can see all around the city. That's great. Many guests say it's their favorite part. Maybe I'll feel the same. I hope so. Is the 102nd floor much higher? Yes, but many visitors are happy with the 86th floor. I understand. You can always come back another day. That's true. New York looks different in every season. I never thought about that. Some people visit more than once. Really? Yes, sunrise, sunset, and night all feel different. That sounds wonderful. What would you like today? I'd like 2 tickets for the 86th floor, please. Certainly. What time is our entry? Your entry time is 6:45 p.m. 6:45 p.m.? That's right. Perfect. Thank you for your help. You're very welcome. I'm really looking forward to the visit. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Have a great day. Ben, I think we have a problem.
What happened?
Look at our tickets.
Okay.
I think we're late.
Let me check.
Did I read it wrong?
Let's see.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I don't want to miss our visit.
Don't worry.
Really?
Yes. Look at the time again.
Oh,
What does it say?
it says 6:45 p.m.
That's right.
And what time is it now?
It's only 6:30.
Oh, we still have time.
Exactly.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad.
Thanks for checking.
Anytime.
I read it too quickly.
It happens.
Next time I'll read more carefully.
That's a good idea.
We still have 15 minutes.
Yes, let's enjoy the moment.
Look over there.
What did you see?
That couple is taking pictures.
They look very happy.
I wonder if they're celebrating something.
Maybe.
The photographer is asking them to smile.
They're doing a great job.
This place feels special.
Many people celebrate important moments here.
Really?
Yes, some people even propose here.
That's so romantic.
The building has official proposal experiences.
I didn't know that.
They're planned in advance and done safely.
That's a wonderful idea.
It makes the day even more memorable.
I'm happy we came today.
Me too.
Oh, people are starting to line up.
That means it's almost our turn.
Now I'm even more excited.
Ready to see the view?
Absolutely. Let's go. Wow.
Pretty amazing, isn't it?
It's even better than I expected.
I'm happy you like it.
I don't know where to look first.
Take your time.
The city looks so big.
It does.
Look over there.
That's Central Park.
It's much bigger than I imagined.
Yes, it's one of my favorite places.
I want to visit it tomorrow.
That's a great idea.
What river is that?
That's the Hudson River.
It's beautiful in the evening.
I agree.
The sky is changing colors.
This is my favorite time of day.
I can understand why.
Just wait a little longer.
Why?
The city lights will come on soon.
I can't wait.
Look around. Everyone is watching the sunset.
It's so quiet up here.
People usually stop talking for a moment.
I think I know why.
Why do you think so?
Because the view says everything.
That's a lovely way to say it.
Oh, the lights are coming on now.
Yes, this is the moment I wanted you to see.
It's beautiful.
New York looks different at night.
It feels warm and alive.
That's exactly how I feel.
Can we take a picture?
Of course.
Thank you.
Smile.
Did it turn out well?
Yes, it looks great.
Let's take one together.
Good idea.
This will help me remember today.
It's a day worth remembering.
Ben, can I tell you something?
Sure.
My favorite part wasn't just the view.
Really?
My favorite part was watching the city lights come on while we stood here together.
That's my favorite part too.
I'm so glad we came before sunset.
Me too. It was the perfect choice.
This is a day I'll never forget. That was a wonderful day.
It really was.
Thank you for coming with me.
You're very welcome.
I'm glad we didn't change our plan.
Me too.
We did a lot today.
Yes, we did.
Let's think about our day.
Good idea.
First, we talked about the news.
Yes, we found out everyone was safe.
Then we walked through Midtown.
And we learned a few interesting facts.
I still remember one of them.
Which one?
The Empire State Building was once the tallest building in the world.
That's right.
After that, we bought our tickets.
Yes.
I asked, what's the difference?
And the ticket staff explained the two observation decks.
I'm happy we chose the 86th floor.
I think it was the perfect choice for today.
Then I thought we were late.
But we checked the ticket together
You said, don't worry.
because we still had time.
That helped me relax.
Sometimes we just need to check again.
That's true.
Then we watched people around us.
And we saw the couple taking pictures.
That was a nice moment.
Finally, we went to the observation deck.
Right before sunset.
The view was amazing.
And the city lights were beautiful.
I know the answer to my own question now.
Which question?
Why do so many people visit this place?
What do you think?
Because it isn't only about the building.
I agree.
It's about sharing the moment.
That's a wonderful way to say it.
I want to come back someday.
We can come at night next time.
Or maybe in winter.
Every season has something special.
I'll remember that.
And you'll always remember today.
I will.
Thanks for sharing this day with me.
Thank you for showing me your city.
Ready for our next adventure?
Absolutely. I can't wait.
Great job! You listened all the way to the end. Before we say goodbye, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's story. The first one is, take your time. Ben said this when Emma was looking around the observation deck. It means, don't hurry. For example, take your time. We still have a few minutes. The second expression is, I'm looking forward to. Emma said she was looking forward to seeing the sunset. We use this when we feel happy or excited about something in the future. For example, I'm looking forward to my vacation. And one more expression, worth remembering. Ben said, it's a day worth remembering. This means something is so special that you will remember it for a long time. For example, that was a trip worth remembering. Now, here's our listening question again. What was Emma's favorite part of the visit? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer is great English practice, and it helps you remember both the story and the new expressions. If you enjoyed learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, relaxing, and practical English stories. If you'd like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also become a channel member. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep enjoying English, one story at a time. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.